how to game this latest game. This is the deck. This is my graveyard down, and the graveyard of my opponent will be here. Okay. If I have first turn, I will draw one ace. This will be my deck. I draw five cards. Two of us with the first turn will be the draw five cards. Okay. Then summoning sample. This ace will be here. Defend will be face down. Okay. And if number four, any number four will be this position attacker. Okay. And this six will be attacker two. Four to six, four to seven will be the attacker. Will be this position. Okay. Use my summon card. One, two, three, four, five. My two attacker and my three defender. All of these will be attacker, and this will be the two attack, three attacker or a defenders. This card will be a once and only attacker. Offering example number 8. I offer this or this to summon number 8, the higher attacker. Okay? Or I offer this to for summoning number 9, the attacker, second higher attacker. Or number 10, I offer this 3 to summon this card to the 3, the higher attacker. Okay? This is will be used. This. Okay? The king. How to use this king? I choose this card. Example, I toss the coin, and the result is attacker. I will randomly choosing from my deck, from the deck, example this, number 5. His, he will be his attack. The attack of the king will be 5. So the position of this card will be like this. From the monster field down to the defense position and the card spelling. The defender, the green, the only defender that higher attacker or defender. Jack can control for the opponent or will be the direct attack or randomly choose from the deck. Example, king, the higher attacker will be 13. The jack will be direct attack with number 3 by 13 damage. Okay, this is the finish for that. Now, this the next will be the exclusive battling.